Welcome to this tutorial on how to add expenses to iAccess. The expense application is a tracking tool that allows you to enter work-related expenses and submit for processing. You can enter job, task, and description for expense you submit, associate a receipt with an expense sheet line, and mileage incurred for work-related travel on the job. When you record expenses, you can enter or edit expense information for an open posting period, submit your expenses, and a designated administrator for approval and reimbursement. To add an expense, make sure you are on the Expenses page. In iAccess, go to the Money icon. Add Expense Sheet. The Add Expense Sheet will be displayed. Enter the description. This is a free text field. Enter a job for which the expense was incurred, enter the start date and end dates for this expense, and enter the currency. Lastly, click Save. To copy an expense. This action copies the selected submitted expense sheet to a new expense sheet. It copies job and task numbers as well as header information, while quantities and amounts are reset to 0. To copy an expense sheet, select the expense sheet you wish to copy and click the double page icon. The duplicate expense sheet pop-up is displayed. Click Copy to confirm that you want to copy this expense sheet. Click in the fields to edit as needed, and finally, click Save. To edit an expense sheet. To edit an expense sheet, use the search tool to select the existing expense report to edit. Note, you are only able to edit reports that are not yet submitted. Click on the pencil icon. The expense sheet will be displayed. Edit the fields as needed and click Save. You are able to add additional lines to an expense sheet by selecting Add Line. Edit the fields as needed, and select Save. Note, you are actually able to add lines to an already submitted expense sheet. You can continue to add lines as long as the timesheet period is open. The Resource Manager and Project Manager will get each line item as a separate item to approve. To attach receipts to the expense sheet. On the expense sheets page, click on the word Receipts. Click Upload Receipts. A Browse window will open. Browse to the needed file and click Open. The expense attachment displays in the list with the date uploaded and the document name. Note, please ensure that you click on Save or Enter to enable the Attach Receipts icon. The icon doesn't display until the line entry has been submitted. To delete an expense sheet, use the search tool to select the existing expense report you wish to delete. You can only delete reports that are not yet submitted. Click the X. A confirmation window appears. Click Delete to confirm the deletion, or Cancel to exit without deleting. To print an expense sheet, select the expense sheet you wish to print and click on the printer icon. The expense sheet prints to your default printer. To submit an expense sheet, use the search tool to select the existing expense report to submit. Note, you can only submit open expense sheets. Click on the tray with the arrow or Submit icon. A confirmation window appears. Click Submit to confirm submission or Cancel without submitting. You will notice that the status has changed to Submitted.